Good morning, everyone! We are finally at the beach. It has taken us so long to get here, but we're finally here. Day numero uno at the beach must be spent doing no other task but laundry. We are like 2 weeks overdue for laundry. So, if you've always wondered how the heck we do laundry living in a van with no access to a washing machine or a dryer, then come along for the day. We're gonna walk you through it and it'll be kind of an adventure because really not sure how this is gonna go. First thing we gotta do before laundry is refill these bad boys so that your girl doesn't freak out that you can't brush your teeth.
Last night we had we can't brush our teeth freak out. Well, not only do we need to get water,
yeah,
but your friends here had no clothesline, so we're gonna go find something that we can DIY to a clothesline.
Well, I didn't say how we were planning on doing our laundry.
We're planning on being fully self-sufficient, and this being the washing machine, and this space being the little dryer. So
we're gonna.
We've never done this. I mean, we've done it in like small quantities.
Right.
But we're gonna go full out DIY.
Do all of our laundry.
Absolute craziness.
Let's go get some agua.
Let's see how we do here, dude.
There you go.
2 bottles in and totally worn out. Where am I doing?
It's also how we work out on the road.
Right. This is just my squat of the day, you know?
Nicely done.
Thank you.
All right, you wanna go pay up?
Yep.
You got this, baby. You wouldn't let me carry them. You made it.
That's so hard.
Carrying 10 gallons of water. Proud of you, baby, proud of you.
Appreciate that.
Now your baby can brush her teeth in peace.
That was all just so you can brush your teeth. That's it, okay. Step 1 is done. We did not really find or look for that hard clothesline, did we now, babe?
No, there's better stores up that way. I kind of want to walk into town. This is a very regular occurrence. Yeah. Christian is just talking. All of a sudden he stops, he's nowhere to be found. I don't see him anywhere. And there he is. There he is, looking at the sun, trying to sneeze. Don't ask me why, but that's the only way he ever can sneeze. There he is again.
Heyo. That girl is getting hungry, so guess what we found? Ooh, looks so good, dude. Not a big enough amount at all, breaking my heart. What'd you get, babe? What flavor?
Mango.
Mango? Mm-hmm. And you guys, you know which flavor your boy got. His classic lemon. Right there, baby.
How is it, babe?
I ate 25 of these, dude. We got sunscreen. We got, what do you call these? Slushies. We got a boogie. We got coffee. We got pesos. We are all ready to hit the beach. And, more importantly, wash our clothes.
As we're looking for a great parking spot.
No way, dude.
I think we just ran into our friends.
No.
I see a gringo in the ocean. Was this perfect?
Perfect.
Absolutely perfect. Look at the 2 lovebirds just chilling out on the beach together, looking at the waves.
All right, now let's see if we can find something that we can jerry rig into a clothesline. Aubrey's thinking we have twine, right, babe?
Yeah.
We have twine. We have bike chains, babe. Or we have this carbon monoxide filter or thing we never put on. Oh, a hammock would be key. I'm getting that out. We've got a bungee cord that I think would be perfect.
Okay.
Just dug up our little soap. Got a little OxyClean for your boy's little sweat stains. All right, this is the best I could come up with for a clothing line. We have 2 extra bungee cords that we just always have on hand and I've never used. So let's see if we can just turn this into a clothesline. I wonder where we could hook this up.
Maybe hook it up here.
Should I go a little higher with it?
This will hold.
I think we found our little solution here. We're gonna have clothes all through the house, but we got an amazing breeze, so it shouldn't take too long to clean off, I don't think. Time for the washing.
Time for the washing. Do we have the natural stuff or no?
No, not right now.
Oh.
Well, we'll make it work.
We have our sink filled with soapy water. And I'm gonna fill this bowl with clean water so we can rinse everything in there. We'll wring it out and hang it up.
Money, money, money.
see how this works.
We got to be pretty selective with our clothes. So let's see. I might even weed some of this out.
All right.
Is this our whole pile or is this the clothes you chose?
That's the clothes I chose.
Oh wow. We need to get more selective than this, I think. That is the pile. I just lost my current shirt to the pile. My pile is entirely made up of about 5 pairs of underwear and about 5 t-shirts. And we are finished. Wow. Let's see how much water we went through.
Okay.
Did you open that up? It's a 5-gallon tank.
Oh wow.
Wow, so we probably only went through 1.5 gallons, 2
Yeah.
gallons at the most. See what other method you could do and only go through 2 gallons. Bet you can't find one.
We're gonna go to the beach
Go
while
to the
this
beach,
dries. My
get a
baby
swim.
is getting that 50 SPF life on.
Of course I am. But this beach looks unbelievable. So we're gonna go get a swim, wait for this to dry. If you can do your laundry yourself with a pump sink in front of an incredibly beautiful ocean, I recommend it. With your best friend. It's one of the most relaxing experiences I've had in a while.
I think there's something to be said for just doing something manual, and especially when it really adds value to your life. Like we've really wanted laundry for a second, wanted laundry done for a second.
Yeah, clean laundry.
So it actually was like so unexpectedly relaxing and like
Amazing.
fulfilling to like do our own laundry. Anyways, that's not what we usually do for our laundry. Usually we go to a laundromat or a friend's house to get our laundry done, but in a pinch, this is a great solution. Wouldn't
Or when
say?
you just need a little bit of relaxing time.
Yeah, that's
in
true.
front of the beach, it's a great solution too.
That's very true. So we're gonna go down for a swim while this dries. I'm gonna close out the vlog now because we just want to have a relaxing afternoon. So hope you guys are doing well. We will talk to you soon.
Talk to you guys soon.
Bye.